If you ever wanted to turn your clips into something cinematic or anime style, Domo AI makes it ridiculously easy. Its video to video feature works in just 2 steps, giving you high quality results with simple, stable performance. You also get unlimited generation mode at a cheaper price than most AI video tools. But first, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's create some content. What really sets it apart is how some of its templates are specially designed for anime and original character creation. Whether you're testing styles, building your own characters, or turning everyday footage into art, this is where Domo AI really shines. So if you're a content creator and want to turn your photos into moving stock footage, this AI tool will set your videos apart from any other content creators. Let me show you how it works. All right, so I'm on the home page of Domo AI and I am about to do an image to video, okay? So I clicked on image to video. Let's pick, okay, version 2.4 is faster, it's new, it's advanced. I prompted, turn this image into a dynamic workout video. Okay, so there you go. Now let's take this image of me just holding weights. Look at me. I'm just holding the weights in my hand and we're about to make this image move. Let's see what it can do. Let's see if it really works out, if I can really work out. Oh my goodness. Look at me working out. What in the... That is so awesome from this one image. You can create a video. Do you see what you could do? You can make stock footage based on your image, based on an image of yourself or whatever you want it to be, and you can make a video out of it. So now you have your own personalized stock footage. You know how much money you save? I know there's a lot of companies selling stock footage and it costs a lot. Now you can make your own. That was amazing. Okay, so we're going to do character to video. I'm going to upload a picture of myself. I'm the character. There I go, right there. And we're going to make a video out of that picture right there, okay? So let's see how it works. There it is right there. I'm the character in this image right here, right? And I'm about to do this. Look at the reference. Okay. Yes, yes. I love it. All right, I love it. Let's see if I can do this now. Oh, they created a video. Oh, what? Look at me. Yes. Okay, that was nice. Okay, look at this, side by side. There's the reference, and that's me, and we're doing it together. What? Oh my goodness, that was so awesome. Okay, did you just see that? Character to video. I just uploaded an image of myself, a picture, I'm the character. I wanted to dance. I put a reference of the lady dancing, put it together. They have me dancing. That is so awesome. If you want to do that on TikTok, I'm telling you, this is what you do. Have yourself actually doing the dance side by side with the character, with the AI character, and do the dance together. That would be so... I'm about to do that. I love it. That was hot. I love it. Okay. Okay, so I'm at Quick Apps and I'm going to Restyle Photo. Okay, let's see. I'm going to create some. Oh, let's look at the different styles first. I want N64 game. I'm going for the Nintendo 64 look. Okay, here's a picture of myself. And I uploaded it. And let's see how they restyle me. I'm so excited. Let's check it out. Come on, let's see if I really look like a character from a game. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Yes, I do. Oh my goodness, how adorable. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh, look at this. Even with the outfit. Look at that with the black outfit. Oh my goodness. I love it. Yes. Yes. Got me in the park. Showing the biceps. There you go. Okay. I love that. Great job. Oh my goodness. That was cool. That was really cool. That was fun. Okay, so now we're going to do text to speech. Let's try it out. We'll go to quick apps, then I click on text to speech, and let's prompt it and see what it can do. I love Domo AI. It is great for content creators. Yes. All right. To make awesome videos. Okay, now let's check this out. Let's try it. Pick a voice.
The only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today.
The only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today.
The only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today.
I like her voice. I like Diane. Sounds very mature. Let's render it and let's hear it. Yes. Come on, Diane. I can't wait.
I love Domo AI. It is great for content creators to make awesome videos. I love Domo AI. It is great for content creators to make awesome videos.
That was fantastic. Oh my. Did you hear that? You could really use this if you do audiobooks, and you write books and you want to have a voice and you don't want to read all the material. Have Diane, Maya, one of the voices, read for you. Or let's say you're putting together an ad and you want a very distinguished voice. Check out some of their voices and add their voice. Prompt it, what do you want it to say? Check out my new merch. It's coming out. It's going to be dropped soon. I'm dropping some new hoodies. Check it out. It's going to be a Black Friday sale. Something like that. You might not want to say it. Have a voice say it for you, for your promo, for your videos, for your TikTok reels, right? For your TikTok videos. I love that. That was cool. All right, so now we're going to go to quick apps and we're going to go to talking avatar. I'm excited about this one. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm going to upload an image of myself and I'm going to add some vocals that I've recorded on a previous day. And these vocals are for a video game I do for little kids. It's a little video game and I give them a little like motivation in the game. So this is that with a image of myself. We're gonna put it together. I'm so excited. Let's get it. Oh my goodness. I hope this is gonna be mind blowing. Okay, so it's just a picture, an image. There it is. And I'm not talking, I'm not doing anything, and we're gonna add vocals. Good job. Way to go. You're awesome. Oh my, even down to the breathing. Did you see her take a good job? Way to go. You're awesome. That was my original vocals I used for a little video game that I created for kids. Did you see that avatar speak? It was my voice, looked just like me. And did you see when she was speaking? She was like, good job. Did you see how brave she took a deep breath? At the end, that was, oh my, I'm speechless right now. That was amazing. This is really, really good if you want to like do like educational videos and you don't want to read the whole thing. Have an image of yourself, put the script in, upload your vocals, and let the avatar do the talking. This is amazing. You could do like faceless videos with this. Oh my, that was cool. Okay, so I'm on the Domo AI homepage and I'm about to do image to video. Look how cute that little doggy is. Groove dance. That was the prompt. Yes. Move it all around. Is that a Pomeranian? Adorable. Well, I'm about to put my adorable doggy up too. And let's see what Bubbles can do. That's my dog, Bubbles. Yes. She's in my living room. I'm always taking pictures of her. I'm going to take this still image and we're going to make it into a video. Let's see. Oh, look at her. Look how cute she is. Yes. Okay. It has rendered. Let's see what Bubbles can do. Oh my goodness. They have her walking. That looks just like my living room, by the way. That's my rug. That's my floor. And that's my Bubbles. Oh my goodness. That was just from a still picture. That was an image. She was not moving. And then I put it in, it uploaded, and Bubbles started moving. That's awesome. Oh my goodness. Did you have fun today? I had so much fun showing you and creating those demos today. Oh my goodness. I am stuck. I am on Domo AI now. I can't stop. I'm making stock footage of myself every day. I love it. If you want to give it a try, I've got the link for Domo AI right in my description. It's fast, fun, and perfect for creators who want to turn imagination into motion. And you see me do it today. And it was fun. So check it out and start creating your own videos today. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try hustling with Domo AI. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.